Good day everyone. This is our topic of Group 1, Electricity and Energy. What is electricity? Electric charges are the fundamental property of protons and electrons, which make up every atom. Positive and negative charges are the two types of electric charges. Proton possess a positive charge, whereas electrons carry a negative charge. Proton is a subatomic particle with a positive electrical charge, and the electron is a negatively charged subatomic particle that can be either bound to an atom or free not bound. Electricity is a specific type of energy that you use to power your home and vehicle. Electricity is generated by harnessing light energy from the sun, chemical energy from natural materials, or mechanical energy from the movement of wind or water. The energy from these resources is then converted to electrical energy that can be distributed through power lines. Electricity is a particularly useful form of energy because it can be quickly and efficiently transported over long distances. With electricity, you can turn on the lights, run your refrigerators, and power your electronics. Electric current. Current is defined as the quantity of charge that flows past a given point per unit of time. The standard unit of measurement for current is the ampere. Electricity is an essential part of modern life and important to the economy. People use electricity for lighting, heating, cooling, and refrigeration, and for operation appliances, computers, electronics, machinery, and public transportation system. Definition of energy is the ability to do work. Energy is a catch-all term for the capacity to do work, such as changing light, heat, and movement. Energy exists in many forms including mechanical, light, chemical, and electrical. Burning firewoods for heat, combusting gasoline to power transportation, or spinning turbines to generate electricity are all ways that you harness energy to do work.